Maximizing VRLA Battery Lifespan, Advanced Tips. Welcome to this presentation on Maximizing VRLA Battery Lifespan, Advanced Tips. Today, we'll explore best practices that ensure reliability, safety, and cost-effectiveness for VRLA batteries. Introduction. VRLA, or valve-regulated lead-acid batteries, are commonly used in UPS systems, telecom, and solar applications. Although they are reliable, their lifespan can vary greatly depending on how they're managed. In this session, we'll look at advanced strategies to extend their life and maintain consistent performance. Temperature management. One of the most important factors for VRLA battery health is temperature. The ideal range is between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. For every 10-degree rise above this, the lifespan can be cut in half. Good ventilation and proper cooling systems are essential to prevent overheating. Charging practices. Charging is another critical aspect. Always follow manufacturer-recommended charging voltages and settings. Overcharging and deep discharging both stress the battery and shorten its life. Smart chargers with temperature compensation are highly recommended to keep charging within safe limits. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance helps detect problems early. Regular inspections should include checking for corrosion, swelling, or leakage. Monitoring internal resistance and capacity gives a good indication of health. Also, keeping terminals clean and connections tight prevents unnecessary energy loss and heating. Equalization and balancing. Over time, cells in a battery string may become unbalanced. Voltage balancing ensures all cells operate evenly, which reduces stress. Occasionally, equalization charging may be needed, but only when recommended by the manufacturer. This prevents weak cells from limiting overall battery performance. Storage and handling. When storing VRLA batteries, always keep them in a cool, dry place. Even during storage, they must be recharged every 6 months to avoid sulfation. Batteries should never be dropped or exposed to mechanical stress. And when handling them, always use insulated tools for safety. Monitoring systems. Modern monitoring systems, such as battery management systems, greatly improve reliability. They continuously track voltage, current, and temperature, and can even provide remote alerts. This enables predictive maintenance, where issues can be fixed before they lead to failure. In critical applications, monitoring is a must for long-term performance. Conclusion. In summary, maximizing VRLA battery lifespan requires a disciplined approach. By managing temperature, charging correctly, performing preventive maintenance, balancing cells, and using monitoring systems, you can significantly extend service life. This not only ensures safety and reliability but also reduces long-term costs.